Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create group on your WhatsApp application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to create a group on your WhatsApp application, firstly, open your WhatsApp application. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the New Group option. On the next page, you need to add the participants to create a group. Search for the contacts and select them. After selecting particular number of participants you want to create a group with, tap on an arrow icon. Enter the name of the group you just created and then press on tick mark. You can also upload a profile picture of group you created if you want to. This is how you can create a group on your WhatsApp application. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.